Yeah, so we're actually demonstrating two JBL Synthesis systems here at CEDIA. We've got a smaller living room system that uses our in-wall and ceiling product, and then we've got a bigger system that's using some of the larger in-wall and ceiling products. So what we're standing in front of is a selection of all but one of our JBL Synthesis loudspeakers. We've got our newest models, the in-wall and ceiling products here. This is the SCL 6, 7, and 8. These all use our patented compression driver technology, our patented high-definition imaging, waveguide, and horn geometry, and our advanced aluminum matrix cast frame high-performance woofers. So this is an incredibly capable speaker, but we start here at the SCL 6 and 7, and what would traditionally be used for LCR or surround channel applications. And then the SCL 8 is a very unique in-ceiling speaker that provides tremendous performance from on-axis to as far as 60 degrees off-axis with the patented geometry that we have. It's a bit of a crazy looking design here, but that's what gives us that incredible performance capability of this in-ceiling loudspeaker. And with a compression driver, there's really nothing else like this speaker on the market in terms of a very high performance in-ceiling loudspeaker that can be used for LCR, in-ceiling surround, it can be used for Atmos height channels. We have a step-up model. This is the SCL 5. This uses a larger version of the compression driver and a larger woofer, but fundamentally the same design, just in a larger, more capable package here. And that would work with our larger speakers, the SCL 4 and the SCL 3. These have been in the range for a little while, but they're kind of the go-to utility products that we use in our synthesis system. Our larger system that's being demoed here at the show is using the SCL 4s as the surround channels. There's 6 of these for surround channels on the lower level of that demo system. The SCL 3 is fundamentally the same thing in a square format that can be used as an in-ceiling as well. And then the largest model of the in-wall products is the SCL 2. In our large theater here, this is the one that's being used around the 98-inch Samsung display that we have. This uses a dual 1.5-inch compression driver and 3 8-inch woofers. So this is the most capable of the in-wall models that we have in the synthesis range. On the other side, we've got our assortment of subwoofers, the SSW series, synthesis subwoofers. We start with the SSW 4. That is a dual 8-inch in-wall, fits in 2x4 construction, and we have a matching power amp designed to go with that. The next model up is the SSW 3. That's a dual 10-inch and a much larger 2x6 enclosure for that model. Then you move to the SSW 2, which is our dual 12-inch cabinet subwoofer. In the case of both the subs and the in-wall and ceiling speakers, we have a flagship model. It's not here at the show, but we have an SCL 1 and an SSW 1 that are our reference level products designed for ultimate performance cinemas, very large residential cinema setups. So that completes the synthesis speaker systems that we have. And then we have matching electronics. We have an AVR, we have a surround processor, we have an assortment of amplifiers that help complete a JBL synthesis system. And then of course, we do our calibration and room tuning once it's all done, and we calibrate to the target curve that we use for JBL synthesis systems, so we get a guaranteed level of performance from any size system, whether it's a small one up to a high channel count immersive audio system.
You know, Jim, so many of the consumers who want concealed, they don't want box loudspeakers, really don't want to compromise on performance.
Yep.
And what we find is that JBL Synthesis really does a tremendous job for us in terms of delivering high quality performance in a concealed way.
Absolutely. You know, we love these products. We think it's a great way to get a high performance system in it. And you might find is outperforming your local cinemaplex. You'll want to have your friends and family over to enjoy music, movies, concerts, gaming with your kids. This is what you want to have. These are experiential products. It's something you'll gather with family and friends at your house when you have something like a JBL synthesis system installed.
Jim, we thank you so much for taking us through what JBL is doing these days with synthesis.
Cool. Thank you.
And thank you for watching this video.